As Imus faces its urbanization, many aspects of the city are being developed. Roads, sewer systems, and even public infrastructures are being improved to cater the needs of their people. Was the government's efforts really beneficial for the citizens?
Good day, Imuseños. I am AJ Valenzuela, unbiased, speaking for the nation. What stands behind me is the newly built Imus City Public Market Building, one of the indicators of development in the town. Before we answer the question, we must know the background of why these developments are executed.
To shed light on the reason behind the development of the Imus City Public Market, Imus City Engineer 1 Christian Mervin Sarno shared insights during an interview.
Ang vision nito ng ating Mayor Alex Advingula and ating Congressman AJ Advingula, no, na ma-preserve yung ating palengke. Kasi syempre nagsusulputan na yung mga malls, no. Okay, so this is one way para mabuhay ulit, no, yung sigla ng palengke, ang mga tao na engganyo ulit na mapunta. And one way of that is to attract them to go there. So ano yun? So dapat malinis, at the same time, mas maganda yung structure.
The city engineer also emphasized plans to introduce additional stalls and business spaces, aiming to draw in more customers and provide vital support to existing business owners.
Siyempre, nagkakaroon tayo ng additional stalls. So, meaning additional businesses for the city. At the same time, yung businesses na existing din doon, kung pupunta ulit ang mga tao, no, imbis na nasa mall sila, pupunta sila sa palengke, it will greatly affect din yung sales nila. So makakatulong doon sa mga existing din ng mga lumang business owners.
Furthermore, market administrators are also taking proactive measures to maintain order and cleanliness by conducting regular cleaning operations and price checking.
Despite the improvements in Imus that is easily seen with the eye, public perspective of the developments are still divided. Some Imuseños are convinced that these alterations are helpful for them, while others state otherwise.
Caro Langge, an Imus City public market vendor even before the current administration, claims that the developments help boost their market potential by making their stall more attractive to customers.
Oo naman, malaki. Malaking bagay din yun kasi nakakarami rin siya ng tao. Kaya para sa amin, mas okay yung nangyayari ngayon kaysa soon sa nakaraan. Mas malaking tulong pa rin yun.
Many customers also feel that the enhancements in the public market, such as improved cleanliness and better organization of the stalls, have encouraged them to shop more frequently.
Bukod sa mga nagtitinda, mas umayos yung lugar nila. Sa mga namimili, masisipagan bumili kasi mas maayos na yung lugar. Unlike dati, sobrang mas maputik. Ganun.
Okay lang naman ang pagbabago dito sa palengke ng Imus kasi mas naging structured siya, no? Nag-group sila in category, wet and dry, and at the same time, mas malinis po ang ating palengke.
On the other hand, some vendors feel that the reduced stall sizes pose a disadvantage, as certain products may become less visible to customers.
Masyado siyang maliit yung space. Katulad namin na medyo marami yung paninda, siksikan siya. So, mas maganda kasi sa customer na mas nakikita nila ladlad yung mga paninda.
Lumawak yung mga daanan ng tao tapos lumiit yung parang stall namin. Mahirap din kasi mag-adjust para sa mga item na nakasanayan namin dati na parang maramihan yung dinidisplay.
Currently, the Imus LGU is still planning to upgrade the Imus Public Market building, adding more stalls and expanding parking spaces. This is AJ Valenzuela, unbiased, speaking for the nation.